Hello guys, it's Parv. In this video I'm going to show you how to create this part using Revolve command in part workbench of Solidworks. You can see that the 2D drawing is given. This is the front view, all the dimensions are given, and this is the side section view, the dimensions are given, and the 3D view over here. This is one of the parts that you have to make for lab assignments for Mech 311. And let's start it. First of all guys, you have to select the plane on which you want to create the sketch. Before that, you have to decide what sketch you have to create. I'll create half of the section over here, half of it. And the dimensions are given 0.60, 0.21, 1.5. The outer die is 2.999 and this is 0.37. So let's go to SolidWorks and I'll select the front plane and I'll create an axis over here which I can use afterwards to revolve the part, and then I'll click on line and I'll create this drawing which is half of the section of the part. The outer dia, this is in metric, so let's change the units first. This is inches. So once you click on inches, it will kick you out of the sketch. All you have to do is click on the sketch again and edit it. So this way we can start it now, and this is what the dimension is 2.999 divided by 2 because it's a radial value, is it? So that's the radius. If you will revolve it, it will become a dia. So now the total size from this to this line, sorry, that's a mistake, I clicked in between. If you click on this line till this line, the size is 0.60, and if you click on this line to this line, that size is 0.21, and this line till the middle is half of 1.5, I think. Yeah, half of 1.5, which is like that. But now guys, you can see that there is a mistake over here. What is the mistake guys? This is 3.14. What dia we have to keep it? I didn't put it before, I think it was this one. So that is the part, but now there is a problem guys. This line is on either side of the axis. Okay, we don't want it to be on this side, we want it to be on the other side. If you're outside the smart dimension, you can click on the line and you can drag it wherever you want. If the line is blue, you can move it. Okay, so there is no problem with that. What is the inner dia guys? It's 0.37. Yeah, so I'll click on this line from here. It's what? It's half of 0.37. Okay, but still the drawing is not blue. Why? Because we have given the location of this line with respect to the axis, but we have not given the location of one of the other lines. But we cannot coincident this point with respect to the origin because this line is at a distance. Okay, so what I'll do, I'll say this line from the origin, I'll say the distance is 0. So it will move the sketch over here. That doesn't change anything. Now you can see the sketch is fully constrained. All you have to do is go to feature and click on revolve. It will automatically pick up the axis that you have drawn and it will revolve the feature around that. There you go. So that's the rotor. But now I'll show you different options for it. Check this thing. You can, this is a blind revolve. You can change the angle over here if you want. You can increase it, decrease it. If I'll make it 90, you can see what happens. It will only revolve it to 90 degree, but we want it 36 0, which is the complete angle 360. Okay, but now guys, you see the line over here? This is the axis of revolution. If you click on that line, this is the line that is highlighting. Okay, but if I want to change that line and make it this one, it will revolve the feature that way. If you want to click on this, it will revolve it that way. If I click on this, it will revolve it this way. But to get our part over here, we have to revolve it around this axis, not the one that I drew at a distance over here, because I want a hole inside the part. You see this hole? It's only possible if you revolve it around that axis. So click OK. That's the router we want, guys, with all the dimensions we need. That's the end of the video, guys. Thanks for watching.